Hi guys! So yesterday I just got back from vacation and I'm really sorry that I haven't posted in a while, but I did vlog over there, so I'll probably post that up a week later. But anyways, today I received this Silly Squishies package, and inside are actually some blank, completely white squishies that are customizable. And Silly Squishies did come up with this, and it's called the Made with Love collection, and she decided to send me a few to show you guys, and I'm super duper excited. So let's just get started. I don't know how to open things like this, man. It doesn't really work. Should probably use oh. So now let's just open it up. And there's really awesome packaging as usual. So here are the squishies, and it looks like they sent me quite a few to decorate. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab out, well, I just dumped everything out actually. So this was everything in the package, and I'll first show you all the squishies that she sent. So all the squishies come with this really awesome tag, and it says Silly Squishies DIY Squishies, and then at the back it says Made with Love collection, and this tag is super adorable, and they also all come with a pink ball chain. So this first item is a cream puff that looks like Hello Kitty, and it is super squishy. So I'm really excited to decorate this one. There's also this Eat Me cookie, and it's actually pretty squishy as well. This is an eclair, and this one is just soft. There's this super large jumbo ice cream. It's pretty squishy. There's also this really large cake roll, and this one is also super squishy. And this one kind of reminds me of the Minion cake rolls. And the last item is this red strawberry. And I'm probably just gonna put some chocolate sauce on it or something. And now for the decorating supplies that they sent me. So first of all, there's a whole bunch of colors of this Deco Whip by Patico. And there's a strawberry chocolate color, this caramel color, a chocolate color, and a milk color. And these are going to be perfect for drizzles. They also sent a wild raspberry scribbles puffy paint, and this tiny little heart container of sprinkles. And I'll also be using some of my own puffy paints to decorate the squishies. So let's get decorating. So before I begin decorating, I'm just going to take off the tag and the ball chain so that they don't get in the way. So here are all the creations that I made. So first I have this jumbo soft serve ice cream, and I decided to make it a strawberry flavored one, and I put some sprinkles on it, and here's the tag. I just reattached them. And this one is still really squishy. Next I have the green tea cake roll, and this one is kind of plain and simple. All I did was put some powdered sugar on top, and I used the Patico chocolate cream to line the white filling. And this one is super squishy. Then I made this Hello Kitty cream puff, and this one is also pretty simple. It's just got powdered sugar on the top and then white filling. Again, it is really squishy. I also have this strawberry, and I painted the top green, and then on the bottom I just painted it a pink color with some white drizzle. Next I have this eclair, and I wanted it to resemble my Ketchup Geary icon, or mascot, so I think this one's actually pretty cute. And lastly I have this Eat Me biscuit or cookie, and I think this one is definitely the most decorated, and it was actually the most difficult to make. So it's just white and it has a border of sprinkles, and then I used the Patico Deco Cream, which was strawberry colored, to write the words as well as the filling. And this one's actually pretty squishy, but there's a lot of air inside of it. I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, I think this one's really cute, so I have that. So these are all of the squishies that I decorated, and I hope that you guys liked them. And make sure to check out sillysquishies.com if you would like to decorate your own. I'll leave the link in the description box. And that's about it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!